With just banana, you can make yourself the best deep conditioner ever. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. In this video, we are using banana and honey and also oil to use as a deep conditioner. You can try this at home. It's so easy to make and the ingredients are not very expensive. They are like very affordable. We'll be using banana and also honey and some hair growth oil. Depending on the quantity of your hair, it should judge the banana that you take. Like if you have a lot of hair, you don't have to take 3 like I did. If you have little hair, your hair is not much, you don't have to take like a lot like I have taken. So you have to do a little bit of mathematical calculation here. So I added a little bit of honey just to make it smooth, and not just to make it smooth. Also, honey is very good for hair growth. And then my final ingredient was herbs infused hair growth oil. This is hair growth oil I made myself, and you can find a video on this channel. You can make it yourself and then infuse it. Yes. Why are we using this banana as hair mask? Banana is rich in potassium, which is able to improve blood circulation and deliver essential nutrients to the hair follicles. Please make sure you blend this till it is very smooth. Like, I'm emphasizing on the smoothness because you don't want chunks of banana in your hair. So please blend it till it is absolutely smooth. And it also gets to thicken when you leave it. When you allow it to sit for a while, it thickens a bit. If you don't want that, then blend it till it is absolutely smooth. This is a deep conditioner, so it's done on freshly washed hair. Like, you have to do it when you wash your hair, like after you have washed your hair. It is a deep conditioner, so it's important to do it on freshly washed hair. Apply it to your hair, emphasizing on the hair strands more than your scalp. Yes, emphasize on the hair strands more than your scalp. The reason why I said emphasize more on the hair strands is because these can tend to clog your pores if you don't wash your hair well. So I'm always saying that don't let it really sit on your scalp so that it doesn't clog your pores. Yes, this is able to make your hair very, very soft. Like, you have to be generous with it because, of course, you will not eat this. So make enough so that you don't have to be mincing. You have to be generous enough to apply throughout your hair. And also, please make sure that your edges and your ends get enough. Like, don't be stingy at those parts, because when you're stingy at those parts of your hair, they are going to really come a long way to affect you in the future. Yes, so you can see that I'm doing this in twists. You have to do it in twists so that you don't overwhelm yourself. Like, once you have natural hair or even any hair, doing anything to your hair while in twist saves you lots of time, saves you a lot of time, and I'm emphasizing on a lot of time. Now let's go back to the benefits. Banana is able to promote hair growth. Like, if you use banana a lot, you can really promote hair growth because of the richness in potassium. Yes, it's crazy that the nutrients we need in our body is also needed in our hair, because the hair is, even though it's a dead something that comes out, it also needs some nutrient to revive, like to feel alive. Yes, if you are looking for something to grow your hair, something that's not very expensive, get some banana, add some honey, grind or mash them together, and then use it on your hair. Like, the nutrients in it, like potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C, aid in hair growth. It also helps to stimulate blood circulation and helps to promote small hair. When you have magnesium deficiency, it can lead to hair thinning and even hair loss. So the nutrients like vitamin C, magnesium, vitamin and potassium are able to prevent your hair from breakage. It's able to prevent split ends and all that. Yes. So you ask me how often you should do this. You can do this on every wash day, but I like to, turn things up a bit so that, one way is not really good. You have to switch things up, even though you have to stick to what works for you. But sometimes trying to add a thing or two is very, very good. Yes, I have also stopped cutting my ends because I realized that cutting my ends too much was not making me retain length. I was always trimming my ends. Like, every time I do my hair, I always have a scissors with me. So if you are someone like me, if you are aiming for length, don't cut your ends often, else you'll be like me for years and you will not see any length difference, but your hair is growing, but you just be trimming all of them off. Now with honey, why did we add honey? Honey is something that you can use to strengthen your hair follicles. Yes, honey can really strengthen your hair follicles. So adding them to banana It's like adding two fighters to fight for your hair. So honey contains nutrients that boost hair strength and structure, which can reduce hair breakage and help hair grow longer over time. I said in my previous video that when I started my natural hair journey, honey was my favorite. Like honey was something I was using all the time. I was using honey all the time. This is something that I can put my life on it, that this will change your hair. If you don't know what to use on your hair, use honey, because this thing, I don't know how to say, but it will change your hair. You know a very big difference when you use honey on your hair. And then my last but not least ingredient is extra virgin olive oil that has been infused in herbs. Yes, I always say that it's good to infuse your herbs, infuse your oil before applying it on your hair. I like extra virgin olive oil because it makes my hair feel good. Like I use coconut oil too, but there's a difference when I use extra virgin olive oil. There's a big difference. It makes my hair feel so good. It makes my hair feel like, wow, I have missed you. Like I don't know if you get me, but then these three combos are the ish if you are looking to grow and strengthen your hair. You can see the way I'm being gentle with my hair. You know, sometimes you have to pamper the hair a bit if you want to see some progress, yes. And you can also see that I hardly use combs. If you watch my videos, you hardly see me use combs on my hair. It's because I am getting very comfortable using my hands, and I've gotten very comfortable using my hands. I started using combs and I didn't like how it's turned out, so I have resorted to using just my hands. I mean, my hands is the best detangler I have ever tried on my hair. So as you can see me do this throughout your hair, like throughout the entire hair. Make sure that it is well absorbed. Make sure you are not being stingy with the treatment. Apply it throughout your hair, and then you wear your steamer cap. This is a deep conditioner. Now let me show you why the importance of deep conditioning your hair. I've spoken to a lot of people, and then they tell me they don't deep condition their hair, and I'm like, how? Why? And it's like a lot of people don't know the benefits, like for deep conditioning your hair. Please, deep conditioning the hair is very, very important. It's absolutely important. Like pre-poo and deep conditioning were things I wasn't doing, and when I started doing them, I saw a significant difference. It reduced my breakage. Like if I was experiencing, let's say, 10% break, it came down to negative. Like it was really good. So if you are stuck, you don't know what is causing your hair to be stuck now, please deep condition your hair. It improves the health of your hair. It also promotes hair growth. I mean, deep conditioning with heat. Don't just put the product on your hair and leave it like that. Leave it to sit on your hair. You can just, leave it to sit on your hair and wait longer period. But then I like to introduce heat by wearing a steamer cap. This makes the whole thing fast and very, very good. Yes. So deep conditioning the hair with this honey hair mask is the best thing you can do for yourself on your next wash day. So if you are confused, you don't know what deep conditioner to use, you want to try something DIY, but you don't know which DIY thing to use, I will recommend this honey, banana and oil deep conditioner treatment for you to use on your hair, and you will come back and thank me later. So as I said earlier, when you finish, wear your steamer cap and then go into the shower and then rinse everything out. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and do well to subscribe if you are new. Till next time, bye.